Everything changes.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you the Minecraft Pocket Edition features. So the general will be support for more languages, deaf messages, fishing, frame, rate, graph, screen, improve, world, IP list. So the blocks and slash items, bolts. You can sprint in bolts as well. There will be paddles, pressed dirts, block of redstone, fishing rods. Yeah, I think that's all. Food, so you'll get fish, cut fish, salmon, cut salmon. So basically there will be ocelots. Mobs, bats, squids, cave spiders. There'll be skins like Steve and Alex slept. Yeah, there'll be skin packs as well. Potions won't be added until the Nether is added, but there will be jump boost, speed, resistance, and poison. So creative infantry additions, there will be iron shovel, fishing rods, spawn eggs. There will be a squid spawn egg. Options, there will be a permanent daytime option, switching game mode option, infinite world for old type worlds, rename world option. There'll be tweaks, mobs, wolves' colours are now dyeable, so that means you can change your tamed wolf colour. So yeah, so I hope you enjoy this video. Please give it a like and subscribe, comment, message me. Peace.
Everything changes.